Bumblebee.
We have a frightening scene caught on camera. Massive construction crane crashing down on a right there.
Bird.
Where this is happening and what the outcome was for people inside the building. And some new warnings about part of the president's
Bubbles. Push the bubbles.
could senior
Good. Open this one.
waiting in line for a checkup.
This one. Good. I'm going to turn the page. Baby Galileo is tucked into bed with a soft pillow for his sleep. I'm going to read it again. You show Mommy how you know all of the buttons. Okay. Ready? Every morning begins a new day. A chance to learn to grow. Yes, flowers. To play. Sweet little Mimi is in for a treat. Her breakfast tray holds such good things to eat. Okay, where's the bird? Where's the bird? Mama.
Hi.
Over it.
Well done.
All right. Well, that was good.
No.
Are you stuck?
You ready? Come
Were
see
you
Mama.
stuck? Here's your Mama.
Hi. Can you say Baby Violet? Baby Violet. What's that, Brady? Can you say book? Book.
Good.
Can you say Jessica? Yep.
Jessica.
Can you say Mimi? Can you say Pee-Pee? You went pee-pee this morning on your pee-pee duck. Uh-oh, you dropped your book? Every time you drop something now. Uh-oh. Even someone on TV dropped something. He was like, uh-oh.
Uh-oh. That's okay.
Brady, can you dance? Yeah.
This is the one you like to dance to.
Go dancing.
Whoa.
Oh, that's nice.
That's an ant. Where did it come from?
Okay, say bye-bye.
Hi,
What's this, Brady? There's an ant in the house. Uh-oh is right. We shouldn't have ants in the house. There's someone coming to